guys, so I know this is kind of abrupt, but these kittens are going to a different home. There's a mama with 4 little babies in need, and since these guys are pretty self-sustaining, they are going to go to another foster home. And it's actually a really good situation because it's somebody that has kids, and these guys are kind of scared of kids, so they need to be around them at this crucial time. So I've got the cage ready. They're going to go with some of the dry food they've been eating so that they don't have to switch too fast. And yeah. Come here. Can you guys all say goodbye one by one? Come here. This is Merlot. They might be getting new names when they go to a new home. It's kind of what sometimes happens. Like, not too attached to the names, but here's Merlot. Go say goodbye. Look how big I got. And look at my little white spot. I'm so big and strong. We'll probably see him again on adoption day. Probably be bringing him to adoptions. Chianti, Pinot Noir, and Rosé. Buddy. It's gonna be good for you guys to be around kids. You'll have lots of fun. You get to play. They're really fun right now, and they're all so sweet. I'll miss all their little loving. But the next mom I'm getting is a very loving mom, and she actually looks like Chianti grown up, so that's pretty cool. Oh. So I gotta think about how I'm gonna set up a little mother's cove for not feral mom, because I won't need to use the Playpen. Usually I maybe use a box. Ooh, actually I have a really big box in the living room. That would be perfect. So she can have a really big space. They spilled food all over the floor. So I think we'll use that. I don't think we'll need to take the carpet up. I think Mom will not have any issues with the bathroom. It'll be fun to see little itty bitty babies again. I miss coming in and kissing all these guys. Also, I'm gonna get a trap tomorrow because we have a cat that's outside. Some neighborhood cat that's not being taken care of. I'm gonna have to wash all those blankets too, because I use all those blankets for Mama and babies. So, it's been howling a lot. I haven't heard it for a few days though, but it was in heat. And Max started spraying on stuff, so I solved the issue with Maya pooping outside the litter box. That was because Max was intimidating her, I think. And so I got a box with a clear lid and turned it towards the door so she could see out. And so far, so good. Oh my goodness, Chianti. Put those chairs away, we won't need those. Usually I do deep cleaning in between, but these guys didn't pee or poop anywhere. But I probably still should take, I don't know. I should take everything up and clean it, but these guys really didn't have any diseases and stuff, and I'm just really exhausted. I've been doing a lot lately, so I might save the deep cleaning for later. He's having so much fun with that little crinkly ball. I'm trying to think if I should rearrange this room any. where we'll have the box up against. I'll probably just put it up against that. They're so fun right now. Whoa. All those blankets I have to shake out. I just changed this bedding. But the blankets under it, I have to shake them all outside and then wash them. Oh, cool flip. Rose? No, that's Merlot. Oh, hello. Hey, Chianti. Can you say goodbye, big fatty? He's so fat. You're so fat. He lays down to eat. You're such a Garfield. Yeah. Garfield kitty. You having fun playing with all your friends? Yeah, but I'm pretty sure you'll see him again at adoptions. It's fun to go anyway and see who adopts him. You guys are so entertaining. Mama kitty will be kind of playful. I'll definitely leave that up because it took a lot of work to put together. Oh, I know. I have that memory foam bed. Is there a fly in here? Or are you getting your tail? I don't think there's a fly in here. The way that he just acted. Looks like there's a fly. I don't see anything though. You get him, Pino. Oh, I know you're stronger than that. He's like, why aren't you fighting? He's like, 'cause I'll win. So yeah, I think I'll use that big box. I've got that memory foam bed. Oh, here's Rose to say goodbye. She's a little whiner. What is on your mouth? She is so sweet. She has the cutest meow. She purrs so much. She's such a good little girl. Such a good little girl. She has a little bit of white in her ears and a little bit on her chest. And Pinot Noir. You gotta say goodbye too. You sit still. So you could say goodbye. Hi. I will, sweetheart. Bump bites on my legs and cat scratches. She has turned into the sweetest little thing. I had my friend over earlier and she was just all over both of us, back and forth and back and forth. So sweet. Oh, babies. Yeah. Alright, well, we'll see you later when we come back. We will be with the next crew. Thank you guys for following their little journey. The next mama looks like this, and she has two babies that look like this in two that are black. They're like 2 or 3 days old, as far as I've heard. So, alright, we'll see you later.